Yeah, greeting everyone. I just want to tell us three things wey you need for this life. You no need stress. Three things. You just need three things to keep your life moving smoothly for this life. Three things. Number one, and the number one is very, very important. Number one is you need God. Yes, now you need God. Very important. Number one, you need God. You see, the second one, you need them too. The second one is you need data on your phone. You need data because the way the Nigeria they go now, if you don't get data, life go boring you. You need data for phone. You need data. Hmm? And the number three, you need this. The number three get two in one. The number three that you need is you need make your battery dey full 100%. Yes, 100% on